So what's up, guys? Welcome back to Lord. That's the same thing as saying welcome back to the channel. Not okay. So what's up, guys? Welcome back. Hazen here with another video, and today I'll be unboxing something special, something big. So this is the Sony WI 1000X noise cancelling headset. I got this today from Omar Marketplace, and those guys have given me a promo code for you guys, for guys watching Lord Hazen content. So if you want to go pick this up or check this out, there's a promo code in the description below for you to get this at 5% off with free shipping if you're within Nairobi and you get this or any other product you order on the same day. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's get in here. Okay, this packaging, put it to the side. Wow, this box it's got a nice feel. So let's quickly take a tour of the box. Over here, you can see you get the high-res audio feature from Sony with the Sense engine. You get the NFC and Bluetooth. I'm thinking this is how you can connect your phone to this headset. You got the Google Assistant feature. One feature of the earphones is the wireless noise cancellation. And turning over, these ones do have an app for themselves. Okay, we're going to install that in a few. And you're seeing features like Qualcomm aptX HD. That's quite a mouthful, meaning there's a lot going on for this one. So let's get this open. Okay, that seems pretty easy. Okay, wow, we are seeing a box in a box kind of situation over here. White box gone, hello black box. So how am I going to, and there we are, Sony. Wow. So I like the presentation. I'll give that an A+. So first up, you're greeted with the headset, and this box feels really nice. Getting a pull tab over here. Okay, so there's another compartment. Wow, so put this to the side. You're getting a couple of interchangeable ear tips for different ear sizes. That's a nice addition. Your startup guide. Okay, this is the startup guide. If I can just take this out for you guys. So this is the Google Assistant, how to pair with the Google Assistant. Let's put that, we'll get back to that. Your micro USB to power this thing on. Your manual for the headsets. This is quite hefty. That's nice. Let's put that to the side. And you're also getting this nice travel package from Sony. Oh my, feels really nice and premium. So that's all you get in the box. A+ for the unboxing experience for these ones. I liked it. So let's just put everything here to the side for just a second so that you can get to these. And here they are. So let's, wow. So here are the headsets. You can also put this to the side. So let's take a quick tour over here. So this is where you'll plug in to charge these headsets up. You're getting your buttons over here, the play pause button, and also to receive your call. The microphone, the add volume button, the reduce your volume button, and this to power them on. And turning to this other side, more branding of the WI 1000X. Here's the NFC label, more Sony labels, and this is the NC ambient over here. Okay, it's also a clickable button. So let's see how these ones actually go on. According to the manual, this NC ambient feature over here, it's actually an LED that lights up to let you talk through the headsets and give your phone commands. I'm thinking that's what works with the Google Assistant, and that's practically it. So I'm going to download the app right now. So the app phone is called the Sony Headphones Connect. I'll just go ahead and start installing that. And as we wait for that to install, let's power these on. Do you have any gas in the tank? And that shows that they are on. This LED over here is blinking. So we'll go to our Bluetooth settings. Here they are. And Google Assistant has already picked them up, and she's telling me to tap to connect. And as you can see, there we are. We have set the Google Assistant. Okay, so next the assistant will be right with you. Okay, let's just select play music. Press and hold the Google Assistant button. That should be this. Okay. And there we are. So I think here we can see everything. We can see the amount of battery in the headset. The status is connected. The make and model, and that's okay. So let's go see the app. Here is the headphones app itself. Yes, I haven't read. Make sure you read those things, okay? Okay, next, and I agree and proceed. Okay, connecting. Yes, register those. Okay, later go to the dashboard. This app has everything. So you can see the now playing, the song you'll be playing, the sound quality mode, the DSEEHX function, and your Google Assistant. It's showing you that the Google Assistant has been connected. And wow, so that's the function of this button over here. Yeah, it's telling you that it's connected to function with the Google Assistant. You can also change that for it to function with the ambient sound control, and that's nice. So let's put this on and play some music. Okay, play music. Okay, turn the volume up. Oh my, the sound quality it's mind-blowing, you guys. Oh my god. So wow. Let's jump into the app itself and see how it handles the audio. So you can see that the music is playing, and now you can change to adaptive sound control, where the headsets try to detect the type of activity you're doing and then adjust accordingly to fit the sound experience for that specific activity. And you can see your sound position control, your sound virtualization. You can either choose for the concert hall, turn it off, choose the arena mode, the club, the outdoor stage, your equalizer for mellow, vocal, relaxed, excited, all of those presets installed there. It shows you the type of song you're playing at the moment, and you can pause it, play it, increase the volume. Wow, it's got a lot of functionality. The sound quality mode, you see it's telling you priority on either on a stable connection or on the sound quality, which I think will start stuttering the sound connection. I really like this. So on paper, these will give you up to 3-4 hours playtime music, non-stop music, and they'll take around 1.5 hours to charge to completion. And I like this braided cable, so you can just like slide it into that for safekeeping, which I will. And there you go. Wow, so I really like this. I think these are going to be the new travel companion for you guys. I'll go do more testing with these, put them to day-to-day usage, test that battery life out, and just see how the connectivity is, how the battery is, how the sound quality is. But first impression, they are good. They are really comfortable to wear, especially with this sponge over here. And to top it all off, they're light, so they're really comfortable to wear. You can easily forget you're actually wearing this whole contraption over here and just focus on these. And it's an overall nice package. So turning them off, you'll also just press the on button, and there we go. They have powered off. So let's wrap this up now. They're nice. They're pretty straightforward to pair with your phone. Just the Bluetooth, as I've shown you guys. They're looking like the next nice perfect package. Make sure you check Omar Marketplace out if you want to make a purchase of this with the promo code in the description below. And that's it for today. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't, like, share this link with your friends, and see you in the next one. Peace.